lie down onto your back. And if you want, you can also lie near the wall. So I'm going to show you both the way. So first without the wall. Gently lie down, feet together, hands by the side of the body, tucking your chin towards the chest. And then gently using the abdominal core if it's possible. So there's different possibility you can do if your stomach is not so strong, the core is not so strong yet. You can bend the knees gently and lifting the legs upward like this. Close your eyes and stay in this. So as you can see that if there was a wall behind our legs, then it would have been much better. So let's do now with the wall. So let's say you are at your bed and you can't sleep. Simply turn around your leg, place it onto the wall, tuck your chin towards the chest, bring your hands by the side and stay relaxing. You can hold this from 1 minute up to 5 minutes. After this, let me go back to the mat. After this, bring your legs up, or you're already up there, and if you want, you can continue pushing with your elbows and go slightly more up, higher for shoulder stand. Again, you can stay in this asana for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Close your eyes. And slowly come down, lowering your head down and rolling yourself completely. Stretching legs for a moment. Let go and see how it's helping you, drifting you into the sleep, making you a little bit more tired and feeling good, peaceful, so that the sleep becomes normal. Now bend your knees, one knee, right one, then hold with your left hand and gently drop the knee towards the left and turning your face towards the right. Back to the center and change your leg. So bend the left knee gently and dropping the left knee to the right, looking towards the left. And this will already start to drifting you back into your sleep. Back to the center. Now bend your knees, take a block, or take a pillow and place it under your back, around the sacrum area. And then join the sole of the feet together and gently drop your knees out, bringing your hands up over the head. Close your eyes and stay. You can hold this pose, this asana, for between 1 minute to 5 minutes, depending how good you feel. In any way you feel uncomfortable with the block around your hip, you can always adjust. You can bring it slightly down or slightly up and see which feels the best, the natural. After that, gently bring your knee together, remove the block away from you, and gently sit up. Take a moment and see, becoming aware how these asana helping you sleep, helping your mind to relax so that you can easily fall asleep. Then gently stretch legs out. Make sure that your back is straight, spine is straight. Then bend your right knee and bring the right foot by the side of the left knee like this, and make sure the left foot is going active. Then hold your right leg, hold the right leg with the left hand. Right hand goes back onto the ground. Then inhale, with exhale twisting towards the right, giving a gentle stimulation to your nervous system, releasing any type of anxiety or worries that was into your nervous system, into your body, which was allowing not to sleep. That will gently release and you will fall asleep. Back to the center. Repeat the same to the other side. So stretching the left leg, keeping it activated. Toes always comes towards the face and holding Left leg with the right hand. Left hand goes back. Inhale. With exhale, twisting gently towards the left, giving the gentle stimulation to the other side of the spine. Twisting, releasing all the tension, worries, anxieties. And you will feel slowly, you will begin to drift into sleep. Back to the center, stretching the leg out, and then bend them gently one by one. So right leg, sit onto the foot, left foot. Bringing your hand onto your knees and close your eyes. Stay in this asana. You can easily stay 1 to 3 minutes or even longer depending on how your knee help you to let you sit in this asana. Gently open your eyes and bring your hand around your navel like this, stretching your chest up, and with inhale, filling up the lungs, filling up the stomach, and with exhale, bending slowly down and massaging your internal organs in Mandukasana, bringing your forehead onto the ground if it's possible, or place a pillow under your head so that you can relax a little bit higher. But the more down your forehead goes, the more deeper massage you feel into your internal organs in your stomach. And gently inhale, come back up. And then if you have block or pillow, bring it now. Open your knees. Then inhale. With exhale, bend forward, bringing your forehead onto the block. Center of the forehead places onto the block. Stretching your arms all the way out. Staying in child pose, and this is an excellent pose for sleep disorder, any mental illness, tiredness, or any type of anxiety you have. All of that will be eliminated doing this simple asana. After 1 to 3 minutes, gently push with your hands, sit up, remove the block, and now we are ready to sleep. So find yourself into Savasana, bringing your feet apart, hands apart, closing your eyes, and you can go into sleep. You want to go into the bed, just go into the bed, lie down and find yourself into deep sleep. So these were the simple and easy, effective asana that you can practice if you have sleep disorder, if you are having problem with the sleep, if you have any type of anxiety, worries, tension, which is making you not to be able to sleep. Go ahead, do these asanas and you will sleep. So let me know if you have any question, any doubt, any thought in your mind. Share with me by commenting below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it so that you can receive every video that comes, so that you can practice yoga and stay healthy. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.